Today I would like to introduce to you our pellet machine model and production and assembly process. You can see every production process of the pellet machine more intuitively through the video. The granulator adopts solid coaxial pressing rollers without welding. Each machine has been carefully debugged before leaving the factory. Make sure that each machine has zero faults before leaving the factory. In the hands of the user, it can be used for a long time and is more durable. This is the internal structure of our gearbox. A certain amount of gear oil needs to be added. Pellet machines we produce include 125 models, 150 models, 160 models, 210 models, 260 models, 300 models and other models. The thickened iron silo and discharge port are processed by themselves. Let the master worker teach you how to disassemble the grinding disc. It is convenient for you to replace the grinding disc. Very convenient. The equipped grinding discs are 4 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm. These things are already assembled semi-finished products, waiting to be installed on a stand. The roller mills are already assembled and are available in large quantities every day. This is a 210 model granulator with a 4 mm grinding disc. Can process chicken, duck, fish, goose feed. This is a semi-finished product of the 260 model. Our spray paint process is colorful and looks great. The stand being assembled is made of nylon casters and welded with thickened angle iron. In the use of the project, it is very convenient to move. The granulator is equipped with a 2-phase electric motor. Adopt 4.5 kW pure copper motor with low display. During use, the voltage usage can be effectively checked according to the load display. The pellet machine is already assembled and waiting to be shipped. Each machine has been carefully debugged before leaving the factory. Make sure that each machine has zero faults before leaving the factory. Test machine video. Raw materials, corn, greens and sorghum are mixed together. The hardness of the material particles is moderate, the internal curing is deep, and it can be dried in and out, which is convenient for sealing and preservation. The processed granules can effectively kill pathogenic microorganisms and parasites. Ensure the quality of feed pellets. It can improve the utilization rate of livestock and poultry feed. The nutrients in the granules can be fully absorbed. Note, after making it, you need to leave some materials. Mix in a small amount of cooking oil and turn it on again. Add the mixed material into the silo of the pellet machine. Leave the ingredients mixed with the cooking oil in the holes of the grinding disc. It is convenient for the next startup processing, avoiding the problem that the grinding disc holes cannot block the particles. Okay, that's all for today. If you like or want to know more, you can leave me a message, click follow, I will reply you one by one.